Hi, this is Andy Doctor. In a separate video, I show you how to test the water content of brake fluid. And as it turned out, my 5-year-old car still have really good brake fluid, even though the manufacturer recommend replacing it in every 2 years. However, though, you need to realize that that test is only effective if the test itself is good. So in this video, I am going to do a test to test the tester itself. I have a bottle of brake fluid, and you see it's sealed. So it should contain no water inside. I have a pretty big syringe out here. I am going to take 10 ml of brake fluid out from the seal bottle and test it. It should be 0 water content, and then I'm going to add water with the smaller syringe to increase the water content, and it the better give me higher number. So let's do it. Okay. Okay. A little bit more actually. So that is pretty close to 10 ml of brake fluid into my cup. I'm going to put the syringe aside, and I'm going to cover the brake fluid and put it aside. And here is the tester. Okay, take the electrodes, and I am going to turn it on. And I guess I'm going to do it in this way. Okay, yeah, that is 0, as you can see. The first line is 0. So I am going to add some water into it. And this is water, and I have a smaller syringe. I am going to start with 0.1 ml of water to make it about 1%. Actually, I can start with 0.05 actually. So let's 0.05 first. Go into the water. Okay. Then I'm gonna leave it inside. Mix it. This one should give me a number of less than 1%. Well, it really is. It doesn't change much. So now I am going to increase the amount of water. So I am probably going to get a 0.1 now. And that will definitely be higher than 1%, but smaller than 2%. So, yep, that's about right. So let's put the water into it. Okay, so that looks good. And shake it up. And now let's turn it on, please. Okay, yeah, it is. You see that? It's blinking. It's definitely blinking on the 1% one. And the 2% is not really there yet. Okay, it's not too bad. So let's continue. I'm going to give it another 0.1. And now it better give me a solid 2%. Okay, another 0.1. Shake it up. Now let's see here. Oh, yep, it's definitely saying that, yep, it's something like 2%, or maybe getting somewhere closer to 3%. So that's consistent. Okay, now let's give it another 0.1. So that will give me a solid closer to 3%, I will think. So shake it up. And now let's see. Oh, yep. You see that it's higher than 3%, and it should be not really higher than 4% yet. So let's give it another 0.1, and it should be higher than 4%. Oh, yep, there it is. It's actually red right now. Okay. Okay. So yeah, it's good. Okay, it's good. So as you can see, yep, it's higher than 4%. So that means this test itself is rather accurate. Okay, so we can rely on it, and the reading from my car is reliable. So you can test your brake fluid according to my other video. I put the link in the description for you for the other video, and so go check it out to see how to test the brake fluid, so you don't need to replace it, too soon and waste money and not good for the environment. If you want to buy the same tester though, there's a link in the description for you to Amazon. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.